welcome back, and today I am here with another review. If you're not my follower, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be one of the JASMIN, and also show some love to my channel by sharing and liking my videos. And yes, so today I will be reviewing this pretty cute awesome packaging bottle. This is a naturesvan JASMIN and MOGRA body shower gel. It's a 100 ml product. This is from naturesvan. It's a natural based skincare and hair care brand. I believe it's only skincare. I'm not sure if they have hair care, but they have foot care products as well. And naturesvan, by its name, it says it's natural, it's from the nature. And I got in one of the subscription box. I don't remember the name. It might be the Thai beauty bag. Yes, I believe that's what it is. So I've got it in there, and I have been using since then, and I really love the packaging. It's so neat and simple. It comes in this like plastic bottle where you can see how much you've used, and you also get this golden cap here. And when you open it, you have a stopper. I have removed it, and I use directly to pour the body wash on it, so it's that way. And it's really nice, simple, decent packaging. I'm not sure if it's travel friendly. I believe it's travel friendly, doesn't leak. But you can see the color of the body wash. It's like, this yellowy golden color, and it's like not too thick, it's not too runny, it's kind of oily kind of thing. Initially when I saw this body wash, I was feeling like it's an oil, it's not a body wash, but you can see it's so good to see. I really love it. I can keep playing like this. I really love the packaging, and it is very simple, it's very neat and nice. It's really nice. And at the back side you have all the details on direction to use, ingredient list and everything. So here it is. And the funny thing is, when you see the direction to use, it says, oh come on, they need to tell you how to use the shower gel, do we? Obviously you don't need to tell you how to use the shower gel, right? It says it has the aroma of jasmine, has a pleasing and uplifting effect on the mind and the body, and you can go all the way with this gel from head to toe. And the key ingredients they used is a rosemary extract, mulberry extract, jasmine oil, MOGRA extract. And obviously when you have jasmine and MOGRA, it smells awesome. And this is manufactured in Goa, and this does not have any chemical. It's natural, it's paraben free, chemical free, and this is to be used within 24 months of the manufacturing. I somehow am missing the cost. I think this was around 300 rupees. If I'm not wrong, I'll put that somewhere here in the description box so you can see the cost. Coming to the fragrance, oh my god, it smells so nice. It smells so nice. If you if you know the fragrance of the agarbattis of sandalwood and jasmine, MOGRA, you would know how it smells. It smells exactly the same. It smells so divine. I don't know why, but it smells so nice, and it relates me to agarbatti, divine smell. And this is when I used it, it's really nice. It lathers so well. It lathers really well. I felt it was like a little oily, but no, after the first use I realized it's really nice. You don't need much. It lathers very well. Little goes a long way, and it's really nice. It smells so much. All your shower area would smell MOGRA. It's really nice. I really like the fragrance on how it smells, and also the way it works. I've been using since a month now, and I still have a little bit left. I mean, I don't use it every day. Depending on my mood and the weather, I use the body washes. But if it's very cold, you can try this one. It's very soothing, it's very nice. It uplifts your mood quickly. So that's really a nice thing. And I don't have any con except a little bit costly. I believe it comes to around a cost of body washes. I think this is a little expensive for that, but I think naturesvan products are quite often found in subscription box or on their Insta page with some offers. You can definitely try it out. And yes, that's all how I use and what's the review about this. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me. Thanks all. Talk to you in the next video. Till then, take care.